Okay, here we are again for the latest kernel by Damian, the 2.3.4 beta 3 kernel, which is blazing fast as usual, with no journal mount script added. And here we have a phone that again is heavy. It has almost 400 apps in it. It's not like the last time that it had 600 apps. But again, it's stretched to the limits because it has apps that are very heavy. Gameloft Games, Plants vs Zombies, almost everything on internal phone. And the external 16 gigabyte card is almost full. So here we start. Sorry for the bubbles, it's a new screen protector. And we start. Usually it would take 4 minutes to boot Ultimate Kernel again. Here you are. It would take 4 or 5 minutes to boot a phone that heavy. And yes, I will show the app drawer this time, because last time they used to say that I was lying. But this kernel is genius. Nothing more, nothing less. Here we are, booting. Almost 20 seconds have passed. Now we're going for the 30 seconds. And it's amazing. It's even better than 2.1. Less than 40 seconds. And the phone, that can't be true. And here we have the phone booted. Just amazing how fast. It's also great for 3D animation. You get a quadrat score over 3000. Generally it's the best kernel. It's not much to talk about. It's the best kernel in the known universe. Oh, I have a message. And let's see the app drawer. You see the phone hasn't yet boot completely, but you still can read the app drawer. You still, I don't know why it shows 309, I had almost 400, maybe still counting. Here is the app drawer. For the infidels, the phone is full. And I repeat, it's not laggy. It hasn't really boot the phone. It has to boot some things I have put for startup programs. But yet, you can do job, you can work in almost 40 seconds after the boot. You see? Here it's booting some things, but yet you can still, if you want to hasty, you want to boot and do something really fast, you can do it with this kernel. You don't have to wait. Here we have. You see, it still reads the external card, and yet you can use the phone. Well, that's all. The best kernel, 2.3.4 Ultimate Kernel by Damian GTO, Beta 3. Oh, I have a force close. And that's it. Bye bye.